Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two finance apps. When choosing a peer-to-peer payment service, understanding the key features and functionalities of platforms like PayPal and Zelle is essential. Here's a detailed comparison to help users make an informed decision. Account types. Both PayPal and Zelle offer different account types to cater to various user needs. PayPal provides personal and business accounts. Personal accounts are used for individual transactions, while business accounts offer features like invoicing, merchant services, and additional security for business transactions. Zelle does not have separate account types. It operates through users' existing bank accounts, making it straightforward and integrated directly with many banking institutions. Security. Both platforms prioritize security but use different methods. PayPal employs encryption, fraud monitoring, and two-factor authentication to protect user accounts. Zelle relies on the security protocols of users' banks, including encryption and authentication methods. Accessibility. Examining how easily users can access and use each platform is important. PayPal, accessible via its website and mobile app. Users can manage their accounts, make payments, and view transaction history from any device with internet access. Zelle, integrated into many major banking apps, providing easy access through users' existing bank accounts. Speed of transfers. The speed at which money is transferred is a critical factor. PayPal transfers between PayPal accounts are instant. However, transferring funds to a bank account can take 1 to 3 business days. Zelle transfers are typically completed within minutes, providing near instantaneous access to funds directly in users' bank accounts. Customer support. Reliable customer support is essential for resolving issues. PayPal offers 24/7 customer support via phone, email, and live chat. Zelle provides customer support through its website and within the partner bank's customer service channels. Mobile experience. A user-friendly mobile app is crucial for managing transactions on the go. PayPal. The PayPal mobile app is highly rated, offering features like sending and receiving money, viewing transaction history, and managing account settings. Zelle, accessible through the mobile apps of partner banks and a standalone Zelle app. The user experience is straightforward and integrated seamlessly into the banking experience. Target audience. Understanding the target audience helps in choosing the right platform. PayPal appeals to a broad audience, including individuals, freelancers, and businesses. Zelle targets users who need to send money quickly and easily within the United States. Additional features. Both platforms offer additional features that enhance their utility. PayPal includes features like PayPal Credit, a buy now, pay later option, and integration with e-commerce platforms. Zelle primarily focuses on peer-to-peer transfers, with fewer additional features compared to PayPal. Conclusion. Both PayPal and Zelle offer unique features suited to different user needs. PayPal is ideal for those needing a versatile platform for domestic and international transactions, online shopping, and business services. Zelle, with its fee-free and rapid domestic transfers, is perfect for users looking for a simple and quick way to send and receive money through their existing bank accounts. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.